What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. So today I have to run and get a battery and get some tires for the van, and I am going to be doing some editing and some design work because I am going to be sitting at the tire shop probably for a couple hours. It is a, beautiful Oregon, cloudy, damp day. Ralph Louis is sad because he is gonna be sitting here all day. Sorry, dude, can't go with me, not today. But let's get into the van and give you some more info. Oh, so there's the van. Window's still not fixed, but this is really cool. This is one thing I've always thought was really dope here at our property. This big old mural. Window still not fixed. Windshield still cracked. On the van, obviously I don't have the window yet, but they did send out a check to the battery and get this detailed. So I also need to get tires for the left hand side because one is pretty bad on the outside, and then which I think I showed you guys in the last video. Sorry if it's noisy because there's obviously a window missing. So if you don't know what's going on, go up the video up in the corner. There's a little thing you can click and see what's been going on. But I am headed to AutoZone, gonna get a battery. Then I'm gonna try and find something to eat that's nearby and get it to go, and then go to the tire shop and hopefully they'll have tires for me and I can just kind of get in where I fit in. Yeah, I just need to get it done because I'm tired of not proceeding forward with trying to get this van sold. So let's go get this stuff done. All right. Let's get a battery. Yeah, buddy. Nothing fancy, but you don't need fancy, even though it's a Mercedes. So now let's find some food. Been really trying to do keto lately, but not having any luck doing it, so that is out the window today because I'm kind of in a rush because I would like to not have to sit at the tire place for 3+ hours. So I figured I'd grab something here really quick, which is pizza and like a chicken bake, and then run over there, and then they can do that. I can eat, I can install the battery and work on some stuff on the computer. So fingers crossed. There is the exact vehicle that I want right there. F Sport CT200H. So yeah, I need tires. OEM good, but it's 99 good. crappy job and don't actually wipe them clean. They just put them back on. I don't know. It's pretty easy for them to, you know, spray them and that would be the end of it. But this thing has been dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it just quickly, nothing crazy, because it's obviously Portland out is what I like to say. And yeah, so I just actually noticed this. It's pretty awesome. Nice little surface scratch mark. Hopefully that can be buffed out. I'm pretty sure it can. It's not too deep in the clear. But somebody scratched this. Super annoying. But let's go ahead and get this thing rinsed off, shall we? Alrighty. She's cleanish. Other than that, she's pretty good. So just need to get this stupid thing fixed. Alrighty. So van's all clean. Well, it's rinsed off at least. My jacket's still on. This is a big bump. But yeah, so I'm about to go order a bunch of miscellaneous little things like you saw in the last video. I have a whole bunch of just minor stuff that's not that big a deal with that I need to resolve. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that all taken care of, and hopefully by the end of next week or beginning of the week after, the van will be good to go. I can resubmit another possible sale to CarMax, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they give me what they said they'll give me. And yeah, should be pretty good to go. So let's head home and get this stuff ordered. I just saw another CT200H right behind me. Well, I mean, this wasn't super exciting, super extravagant. Just wanted to give an update on the van and show where it is currently and what the next steps are. And I just am now realizing I am going the wrong way. I'm gonna head home, get that stuff ordered, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.